Hello, everyone. Welcome to KSG Podcast. I'm Akhilesh, and today I'm going to discuss typhoid conjugate vaccine. In recent newspaper, we have seen that Pakistan became the first country to opt typhoid conjugate vaccine as a national immunization program against extensive drug resistant typhoid outbreak. So in this news, three things are important for our examination point of view. First one is typhoid conjugate vaccine, which we will discuss. Second thing is that why this typhoid become multiple drug resistant. The soul satiating news is that this type bar or TCV vaccine is manufactured by Indian based company Bharat Biotech, and this was the first conjugate vaccine qualified by WHO. So three things are there to be discussed. Let's discuss what is typhoid and why it become resistant for multiple drugs. So typhoid is a communicable disease, and it is the disease caused by bacteria Salmonella typhi, and these bacteria enters to human being through contaminated water as well as food. And when the ill management of antibiotics is done, or you can say if a patient is taking antibiotics on their own, it become multiple drug resistant typhoid. Before talking about typhoid conjugate vaccine, let's talk about normal vaccine that are developed. So in normal vaccine, we either use attenuated bacteria or virus or dead bacteria or virus in order to get immunity. And when these attenuated or dead bacteria injected inside the body, against these antigen antibodies are formed, and these antibodies are ready to fight with the coming bacteria in future, and we call it immunization, or we can call it vaccination. But sometime the vaccine containing single antigen not competent enough. Single antigen sometimes doesn't aggravate strong response from the immune system. And for long run, the single antigen may disappear after a time of 10 to 15 years. So you need booster dose. To overcome such problem, conjugate vaccines are produced. In conjugate vaccines, the weak antigen were put with strong antigen as a carrier. So when immune system have a stronger response for a strong antigen, the weak antigen is also recognized. And this is the basic concept in conjugate vaccine manufacturing. Organization Global Alliance for Vaccine Initiative, that is Gavi, is working with WHO, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, World Bank, and UNICEF under PPP model for universal vaccination. And this is the initiative of Gavi in Pakistan that made Pakistan to opt TCV as a first country for its national immunization program. So mind my word, it is the Pakistan which has become first country to opt typhoid conjugate vaccine for the first time, and this typhoid conjugate vaccine is made or manufactured by India based company Bharat Biotech. Thank you very much.